Hi there, I'm going to show you today how to make a table out of this Resopal board. It's going to match our seating and our kitchen. I'm Shelley, Seb's behind the camera, and let's get on with it. Here's everything that we need for this project. If you look down in the description, everything's listed that we actually used. On the bottom side of the tabletop, we're going to create a framework. This frame just gives the table a little bit of stability. The wood from the framework is cut at a 45-degree angle. We're going to drill holes in the frame and then we're going to glue it together. To give the wooden frame some stability, we're going to add these metal angle brackets into the corners. We're going to measure out the frame now so it's in the middle of the board. Once we've done that, we're going to draw around the frame, and instead of using a biscuit, we're going to use silicone and screws to actually fix the frame into position. Of course, you have to be careful how long your screws are. If the screws are too long for the frame, they're going to come through on the top of your table, and you don't want that. So please be careful with picking the screws. The same goes for the hairpin legs, which we're going to fix now. Make sure the screws aren't too long. And I'm going to say on this point bye, but please stay to the end of the film till we've finished everything.